Yo, what's crack lacking, guys? Crypto King's back to give you guys an update on the crypto market. What's happening, guys? Happy Sunday. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Let's get right to it. What I see for the week, for the crypto week this week. All right, guys. So I told you guys yesterday some crazy news that, all signs pointing down. And I think this week will probably be the beginning of the capitulation. I mean, we already went, but the first kind of leg down, I think it's going to happen. DXY looks like it wants to bounce back up. It's testing my support right now. Looks like it wants to shoot back up. If it does, you know what's going to happen. Stock market already broke back down this last Thursday and Friday, broke significantly down. Broke from my wedge, and now there's no recovering from it. If it bounces, it probably bounce back up, get rejected from the bottom support, and keep going down. Okay, Bitcoin also did the same thing, guys. So yeah, guys, all signs are pointing down still. Okay, so pay attention this week. There's only 2 weeks left in this year. So I told you guys already that I expect a capitulation at the end of the year. Well, guess what? We are here. So looks like it's happening. Okay, so these next 2 weeks, pay attention. Let's get right to the chart. Show you guys what I'm talking about, right? All right, guys, so check this. DXY is back at 104.3. All right, this is where it's at right here on my charts. Tested that yellow line right there. You guys, that yellow line, very, very significant. If you guys been following me, I told you guys many, many times, this yellow line has been the whole support since May 2021. Bouncing on it, climbing the fuck up this whole time. The only time it broke below it was over here in January of this year. In February of this year, it broke below it a little bit. But what happened after that? Just fucking went to the fucking moon after that, okay? It did not matter if it broke below it. So that's why it doesn't matter if it breaks below it here either. It can break below it. I was expecting it to break below it down to this blue line and come back and hug it again and go up. But you know what? Looks like it's just going to, kiss it like it did right here. And looks like it wants to shoot its way up right now, okay? Look at that. I'll show you guys the weekly chart. Actually, it's a little, let me show you guys the weekly chart. So check this. The weekly chart, you can see that is a long, what is that? I told you guys been following me. That's a long fucking buy wick, guys. Okay, big long buy wick. Usually when you see that, it wants to fucking shoot the fuck up. All right, so I definitely see that happening. Again, it can tag along this line right here for a little bit and slowly go up. It's not gonna just go boom tomorrow, obviously, or this week. It could go like this slowly, and just staircase its way back up slowly. But it's definitely looks like it's about to bounce up. I think it's going to go back to its previous peak, 114, possibly go past a little bit, 115, 115, before breaking back down again, and then just kind of going sideways for a little bit, okay? But DXY definitely likes to want to pump. If that happens, we will dump. Look, stock market, okay? This is SPX, already on its way down. You guys can follow me. Look at this. Look at this long sell wick, guys. I told you guys, bottle rocket shooting downwards. So that's a bottle rocket right there, okay? If the stem is on the top and the head's on the bottom, where do you think that bottle rocket is shooting? Down, okay? If it was the other way around, stem is long and the head's on the top, guess what? It's gonna more likely want to shoot up. That bottle rocket right there looks like it wants to fucking shoot the fuck back down. Okay, so if the stock market shoots the fuck back down, guess where we're going? We are also gonna follow it, guys. Okay, so just go to Big Daddy Bitcoin. Also, look at that. What is that right there? Another little mini bottle rocket right there. Look at the long fucking cell wick right there. See, you see that? It means it wants to shoot down. Look over here. It's like a little mini bottle rocket shooting up. What happened? Look, it went from here all the way up to here. That's a pretty big, that's a bump, as you can tell. See, from there to there. So now, if it's doing that, guess what? It's going to definitely go down at least 15, but I think it's going to go past 15 this time. I think it's finally going to break all the way down to 13 and 12. It's going to just kind of chill around here, possibly for a little bit, and then eventually, ultimately break down there to 8 to 9,000. Actually, 8 to 10,000. It all depends what time, when it will hit that, but for sure it's going to be around that area, 8 to 9,000. Okay, you guys can follow me. I posted this the other day. I've been showing you guys this forever. Again, this red line right here that I have is my support. It was the bottom support of the previous bull market since 2017. From there, all the way up here to 20,000, came back down there to 3,000, came back up to 13,000, came back down there to 4,000, went to the fucking moon at 69,000. Now it looks like it wants to come back and revisit that same line before going back up again. So don't you think, guys, look, every time in the last bull markets, right? Look at this, last bull markets, it came back to touch this line before going to another bull market. Look, I actually touched it twice here. Bang, came up. You thought it was going to reverse, fake out, came back and touched that line again. Basically doing a double bottom, a giant double bottom if you think about it. before finally flying to the fucking moon. Okay, from basically 4,000 to 69,000, all up there. All right, so I mean, that's pretty crazy, guys. So yeah, I mean, like, you know, before we go to another bull market, don't you guys think it needs to come back and revisit that line one more time? I mean, that's what I think. I mean, like, I don't know, a lot of motherfuckers, I got a couple of haters and shit online, don't believe me. They're like, yeah, you're crazy, you're smoking crack, you're just drawing lines, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Oh, it's hilarious. My lines tell me everything, guys. They tell me the whole story, the whole picture. That's how I tell you guys what's gonna happen next. So yeah, just look at this chart. It just looks so easy that most 90% they want to come back to retest this line before we see another bull run. Okay, it's got to come back to this line. It might come back to it twice. It might come back over here, and then after it hit it, and then, you know, do what it did here, bounce up and come back halfway, get everyone's fucking like hopes up again, like, oh, the bull run's happening, guys, it's happening again. Come up to, like, let's say 40,000, right, and then break all the way back down and touch that line again. How crushing would that be to people? People be like, man, I'm done with Bitcoin. That's exactly what it did here. That's exactly what it did here, guys. Think about this. Think of this, you know, think of sentiment. Came to 20,000, came all the way back to 3,000, right? Chilled here for a little bit, about a year. Then it fucking flew all the way to fucking 13,000. Everybody's like, we're reversing, guys. We're going to the moon. That's it. Bitcoin's going. And then it goes this bang, bang, bang. Come back to this damn line again. Everyone's like, fuck Bitcoin. Fuck that shit. I'm done with that shit. And after they did that, guess what happened? To the fucking moon it goes. Okay, so yeah, I can see that definitely happening again. Might come to this line, might pump up to like 40,000, might come back all the way down this line about 11, 12,000, get everyone's hopes completely demolished, and then fucking fly to the moon. So that's what I see definitely most likely happening. And you know what? That's fucking it. Just want to get an update on the fucking market, what I think, and my sentiments and all that jazz. Hope you guys like it. All right, if you guys like this video, please give me a quick like. Takes 2 seconds. Click the like button. Click, click, click. Thank you. Give me a comment, reshare this, retweet this shit. If you guys can, be sure to subscribe to your notification, because I'm gonna give you guys updates on Bitcoin, crypto, and market every single day, 365 days this year, which is about to be over actually. So I'm not gonna do this fucking shit anymore. But I'll still be keeping you guys updated on the market as much as I can. Every time there's any big move or anything significant happening, guess what? You will see me. If anything happening, you know, with Bitcoin, crypto next year, and you're like, you don't want to know what the fuck's going on, I'll be on, and I'll be posting you guys news and updates on what I see. All right, that's it, guys. Until next time, I hope you guys have a good week. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. That's it. Peace.